Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Prashanto. I am Prashanto, your teacher.
And I am Mina, the learner. Hello, Prashanto. Hello, everyone. I am happy to be here for episode 9.
It is good to see you, Mina. Today is episode 9. We will learn more English. We will use simple words. We will use short sentences. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Let's start.
Great. In episode 8, we learned some verbs. We learned eat, sleep, and go. Today, we learn more basic English verbs. A verb is an action. It is something you do.
More actions. I like verbs.
Let's learn the verb ask. A-S-K. Ask. Mina, say ask.
Ask.
Good. Listener, repeat after me. Ask. Very good. I ask a question. Mina, repeat.
I ask a question.
Excellent. Now, the next verb is answer. A-N-S-W-E-R. Answer. Mina, say answer.
Answer.
Listener, say answer. We say, I answer the question. Mina, say it.
I answer the question.
Great. Next is help. H-E-L-P. Help. Say help.
Help.
Listener, say help. I help my mother. Mina, repeat.
I help my mother.
Very good. Now, listener, say I help my mother. Wonderful. The next verb is work. W-O-R-K. Work. Mina, say work.
Work.
Listener, say work. I work at an office. Mina, repeat.
I work at an office.
Great. Next is buy. B-U-Y. Buy. Say buy.
Buy.
Listener, say buy. I buy an apple. Mina, say it.
I buy an apple.
Excellent. Next is sell. S-E-L-L. Sell. Mina, say sell.
Sell.
Listener, say sell. I sell a car. Mina, repeat.
I sell a car.
Very good. Now let's learn look. L-O-O-K. Look. Say look. Look. Listener, say look. I look at the bird. Mina, repeat.
I look at the bird.
Nice. Next is listen. L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen. Mina, say listen. Listen. Listener, say listen. Remember, we often say listen to. I listen to music. Mina, repeat. I listen to music. Excellent. Next is think. T-H-I-N-K. Think. Say think. Think. Listener, say think. I think about English. Mina, repeat.
I think about English.
Great. Next is know. K-N-O-W. Know. The K is silent. Say no.
No.
Listener, say no. I know your name. Mina, repeat.
I know your name.
Very good. Next is try. T-R-Y. Try. Say try.
Try.
Listener, say try. I try to learn. Mina, repeat.
I try to learn.
Perfect. One more. Start. S-T-A-R-T. Start. Say start.
Start.
Listener, say start. I start my homework. Mina, repeat.
I start my homework.
Now, Mina, let's practice speaking. I will ask questions. You answer me using the verbs we just learned. Listener, you answer too.
Okay, I am ready to practice.
Question 1. Do you work?
Yes, I work at a school.
Listener, your turn. do you work? Question 2. What do you buy at the shop?
I buy milk and bread.
Listener, what do you buy? Question 3. Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
Listener, do you listen to music? Question 4. Do you help your friends?
Yes, I help my friends with homework.
Listener, do you help your friends? Question 5. Do you try to speak English?
Yes, I try to speak English now.
Excellent, Mina. Now let's use I want to. Mina, what do you want to start?
I want to start a new book.
Listener, what do you want to start? Say, I want to. Now let's use I can. Mina, what can you do?
I can help you. I can buy food.
Listener, what can you do? Say, I can. Very good. Now, Mina, let's talk about 2026. This is a new year. Do you want to change your life?
Yes, I want to try new things. I do not want to be lazy.
That is good. We should not be complacent. Complacent means being too comfortable and stopping growth. We must be brave.
I am brave. I will work hard this year.
Great. Listener, say, I will work hard. Remember, it is okay to fail sometimes. If you fail, you can try again.
Yes, if I fail, I will not be sad. I will start again.
The review. Now let's do the review. We will remember the verbs from today.
Yes, let's review everything.
I say the verb, you say it back, Mina. I say ask.
Mina, ask.
I say answer.
Mina, answer.
I say help.
Mina, help.
I say work.
Mina, work.
I say buy.
Mina, buy.
I say sell.
Mina, sell.
I say look.
Mina, look.
I say listen.
Mina, listen.
I say think.
Mina, think.
I say know.
Mina, know.
I say try.
Mina, try.
I say start.
Mina, start.
Very good. Now let's review the sentences. Say them with me, Mina. Mina, I ask a question. Mina, I answer the phone. Mina, I help my family. Mina, I work every day. Mina, I buy a new phone. Mina, I listen to the teacher. Mina, I think about English. Mina, I know the answer. Mina, I try to speak. Mina, I start now. Perfect, Mina. You are learning very fast. Now it is time for homework. Listener, this is for you.
What is the homework today, Prashanto?
Your homework is to write 5 sentences in your notebook. Use these verbs. Use help. Use work. Use buy. Use listen. Use start. Write them down, say them out loud 3 times. This helps your brain grow.
I will do my homework too. It's important to practice.
We are at the end of episode 9. Thank you for listening to English with Prashanto.
Thanks, Prashanto. Thanks, everyone. English is very fun.
You are welcome, Mina. You did a great job today.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. See you in episode 10. See you.
See you.